Today, we are going to look at how to project your voice without shouting. This is for anyone who needs to speak to groups for work, teachers, trainers, presenters, performers, and so on. Shouting is hard on your voice and usually is less effective. Projection is different. It comes from alignment, breath, and resonance, not from forcing the throat. We will assume that you have already done your own basic warm-up or followed one of the warm-ups on this channel before you start. You can do most of this standing, which is preferable, or if you're sitting, sit tall and forward on your chair. We'll start with alignment and your stance. Okay, stand with your feet about a shoulder width apart, one foot slightly in front of the other. Keep your knees soft, not locked, and let your weight be balanced over the middle of your feet. Imagine a string gently lengthening you from the top of your head. Your chest is open, but not stiff, and your jaw is loose. This posture allows your breath to move and your sound to travel. Right, breath support. Place one hand on your lower ribs or tummy. Take a soft breath in through your nose, letting the ribs and tummy expand. Now, breathe out on a long s, like a slow leak in a tire. Keep going till you've run out of breath. Now, try that again. In through the nose, easy and low, and out on the s. Notice that you are not lifting your shoulders. The support is coming from lower down. Now, repeat, but on the out breath, use a gentle ha, ha, ha sound, as if you are fogging a window in front of you. Keep the throat relaxed. The movement comes from the tummy and the ribs. Third, resonance instead of force. Again, put your hand on your chest. Take another low breath and say on one comfortable note, ha. Let the sound vibrate in your chest, not jam up in your throat. Try a short phrase on that easy pitch. Good morning, everyone. Again, feel the vibration in your chest and face, not strain in your neck. If you like, repeat with me. Can everyone see and hear me? Or any phrase you use at the start of a session. 4. Aiming the voice. So, choose a point across the room or imagine the back wall of a classroom. First, speak to an imaginary person just in front of you and say, good morning. Good morning. Okay. Then, without getting tense, send the same phrase to the far wall. Good morning. You got that? Think of the voice as a beam of sound traveling to that far point. You are not pushing, you are directing. Now, try a short instruction that you often use. For example, can you all come and sit in a circle, please? First to someone nearby, then to the back of the imagined room. Can you all come and sit in a circle, please? Can you all come and sit in a circle, please? Keep the breath low, your chest open and your jaw loose. Let the sound ride on the air. 5. Clarity beats volume every time. To finish, we will combine projection with clear articulation. Use this line or one of your own. Please turn and listen to the person next to you. Say it once in a lazy, mumbled way. Please turn and listen to the person next to you. Now say it again with clear consonants and a supported voice aimed at the back wall. Please turn and listen to the person next to you. Feel the difference? Often you do not need to be much louder. You need steady breath, resonance, and clear words. That is a short practice in projecting without shouting. Use this before or after the 10-minute warm-up video you can find on this channel, or on its own, just before you go into a lesson, a workshop, or a performance. Over time, your body learns that you can be heard without hurting your voice. Over time, your body learns that you can be heard without hurting your voice. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps bring us more free content for you like this. Thank you.